Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make a chocolate egg cream. The drink started in New York City in the late 19th century, and it's been a favorite for generations since. Growing up in New York during the 80s, I used to see egg creams being sold at many corner shops. A friend of mine worked at a local candy store for a little while and used to make them for me. It's a tasty and refreshing drink, and it's easy to make, and despite the name, there isn't any eggs or cream used. In this video, you'll learn how to make a classic New York chocolate egg cream with 3 simple ingredients. First, grab a tall, frosty glass and pour in about 1 inch or about 1/5 of the glass with You Bet chocolate syrup. This rich chocolate syrup is the key to achieving that classic flavor, or so they say. Though to be honest, I think any chocolate syrup will probably do if you can't find this brand. Next, fill the glass halfway, or about 2/5, with cold milk. It's recommended to use whole milk for a creamier texture. Then, pour in cold seltzer or soda water to almost the top. And then use a spoon with an up and down chopping motion to mix the syrup with the drink. You'll then see a frothy topping form on top. And that's it. The creamy chocolate flavor, perfectly balanced with fizzy seltzer. You'll know you did it right when the straw stands straight up in the frothy layer. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate egg cream, ready to be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. A New York favorite that's been around for generations. I love it, and hopefully you will too. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you all soon.